Hi guys, my name is Valentina and welcome to my channel. And in this video we are going to make a corset really quick and using an old jeans, okay? Let's get started. The first stage is to make a mock-up just to check if the pattern is correct. I've already prepared these 3 details, and for these 2 details I'm going to use my boyfriend's old t-shirt, but he told me that he really loved it, but to be honest he hasn't worn it in a long time, so I think it's like not true and I can use this t-shirt. So my pattern is ready and I like how it looks, and now the second stage is to prepare the front of the corset. I'm going to use these jeans from the second-hand shop for making the front of the corset. It's amazing, I already love this corset. The front of the corset is ready and I decided to make a reversible corset, so the third stage is to make the reversible side. I'm going to use these jeans also that I bought in the second-hand shop for making the reversible side of the corset, and it costs just $2. The reversible side is ready, and at this stage I also connect this reversible side with the front of the corset. For making straps I'm going to use this green satin ribbon. The final stage is putting eyelets and sewing a BS tape. Let's do it! So guys, I'm going to make the BS tape myself, and I have these pieces of fabric, so now I need to prepare a lot of stripes for making the BS tape and connect them together, and after that I can sew it to the bottom of the corset top. Guys, the last stitch and my corset will be ready! I finally finished, and it is, I don't know, it is something. It is like, can I say, my masterpiece, but I'm not like professional designer. I just love to sew things, and it is like really incredible. You ready? You ready? Check it out. Guys, I just spent $5, and it is like upcycle fashion, so that's why, I really love to sew things. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon!